talk about this hitting, 64 runs in 5 games for you guys. I mean, it becomes contagious, but I mean, it's kind of getting unreal right now.
Just having good at bats. We've got great players, and when great players have good at bats and do what they can do, that's what you get.
We'll talk about your home run today. And yesterday, the wind kind of helped it. Today, that you got that one.
Yesterday, the wind did help me. He left me a fastball out over the plate yesterday, and I put a good swing on it. And today, I swung a little bit too hard earlier in the game, and the swing before that. And I just told myself, just try to put the barrel on the baseball and keep it simple. And good things happen when you keep it simple.
When you score this many runs, how much do you think the pressure takes off for the guys on the mound? Because you guys are getting so many runs. I mean, it makes Drew that much better, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Coach Mack says it all the time. It's easier to play when you have a lead. I think it's way easier to pitch when you have a league as well. And credit Drew, he's sitting on a bench for a long time in that third there, but he came back and he pounded the zone, got us back into the dugout to get him some more runs.
Cool. Thanks, man.